Just bought your new Mazda? Why not sign up for My Mazda, the online ownership platform for private Mazda owners and the most convenient way to keep track of all your important Mazda documents and information. You can easily access My Mazda on desktop or mobile phone, or simply download the app to your smartphone or tablet. The registration only takes a few minutes. You only need two things. First, your valid email address already stored in the Mazda customer database. And second, your vehicle identification number. My Mazda comes with lots of benefits. It offers easy-to-follow video tutorials. My Mazda also features manuals for all the latest Mazda models. It also lets you query your digitalized owner manuals for open questions on your car. Track your service schedule. View your full service history and be informed about any deferred work items that need to be replaced. My Mazda also lists current warranties. Furthermore, you can enable the app to directly receive reminders on servicing. And in the unlikely event that you need roadside assistance, you can directly call for support through the app. Last but not least, give it a personal touch. Add a picture of your very own Mazda. Everything about your Mazda in one place. My Mazda.